Okay, my friends, so I got a proposition. Let's start from this place, exactly from this place. So we just checked in, this Hilton place, and this is our first time ever staying in this Hilton in Niagara Falls. And check this out, guys, we got jacuzzi. This is so deep. I don't know, it feels so nice. So let's check. This is some new section on my video. Every time I'm trying to check if it's tall enough, this shower place. So I'm 185, it's about 6 feet, I believe. And you see, I still got some room just above my head, and which actually pretty nice. I'm a shower guy. I'm not going to enjoy for sure this jacuzzi, but this is good to have. I believe my wife will actually love it, for sure. So we got pretty nice place. It feels like renovated, and we don't have Niagara Falls view, not a falls view. We got a city view. And we're going to stay next week we're going to stay in some hotel with a falls view, which is going to be a nice experience. So just stay tuned and you're going to see it on my channel. And yeah, so far it's just very nice. It's like a renovated place and it looks very good. So we're going to stay here for maybe 1 hour. We're going to probably check some sauna, some pool. It's infinity pool in here by the way, with the falls view. And so far, only good experience about this hotel, I should say, guys. Starting from the reception, pretty wonderful people on the front line. They were very busy and still very nice. This is usually not a common combination. When somebody is very busy, they're usually not happy. But in here, they all smiling. They were funny. So this is something I appreciate. I very much appreciable. So yeah. Stay tuned, let's explore this place and let's see how it's working for us so far. Nice. Yeah, definitely it feels like it's kind of new. I don't know, I didn't see even this in the booking, it's some renovated or something. Still, it's pretty nice wall decoration in here and nice TV. Not sure if it's smart or not. I believe this is Scanfield, if I'm saying this correct. Sandfield show, which I actually love. And I should say even fun, but I don't know why I forgot how to say it. No special feature for this in this hotel. Usually it's not open to get some fresh air, But they actually got some solution. Can you see? This is you can close it up, or you can open it up, and it's working nice. And as I said, we got this casino view, the city view, which actually pretty nice. I don't know, very much American style in here. Even considering I've been living here in Niagara for 2 years, in St. Catharines. And usually in the weekdays we visit in this place Niagara Falls. And for us it's just normal day, Wednesday, I don't know, any day. And we've done it many times. But today we're getting this experience with the visiting hotels, all this adventure. And I feel like I'm a tourist, guys. And I can feel and walk in your shoes, when you're trying to explore this not a local, but just a tourist, and this is exactly what I'm doing right now. Even being a local, I'm getting this experience, trying to see it. Anybody who's going to visit this place will feel the same way as myself today. So we're going to stay here overnight, and yeah, so far so nice, unexpectedly good, guys. In this Niagara Falls, yeah, a bunch of stuff you can get and enjoy and have very fun with your family to spend some time. I believe it's not going to be cheap without all the stuff we did today, all this hotel. It was just $90 with the taxes, for us. It's a very nice and affordable price, and all this adventure for us, it was just $50 price for family ticket. I mean, everything: Skylon Tower, power station, this fun room, haunted house, and now we just visited this mirror room, and yeah, it's very nice experience. About this haunted house, I believe so far the best from this small entertainments. Fun house, it wasn't extremely fun, maybe for small kids. And this mirror place, so when you can get lost in this rooms when it's everything in a mirror, so it's so easy to get lost. It was pretty much fun. It took us maybe 3 minutes to escape from there, and it was nice family fun. But you need to explore everything, I believe, in once to get this nice feeling you know, like this adventure, because not only one place you should visit, but do it in a bulk, at least, I don't know, 5 to 10 different locations. Visit everything in once. I'm sure you will get just very nice experience, very nice um, entertainment, you know, guys, for your entire family.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up?
So nice pool. It's infinity pool just on another side, and which actually going to be, I believe, pretty fine. Like tomorrow, when you're going to see actually waterfall from here. And now, so I didn't find the sauna. I'm a sauna guy, but I found this hot tub, you know, and it's pretty nice experience. Something new for me, I should say. And yeah, the pool is nice, not crowded, so cool place. So now we're going to go like to find some food and maybe to grab some beer to have some more relaxation for today. And my son just enjoying this hot tub just in here, and like it's nobody. See, it's nobody in here. It's also some gym in here, and yeah, it's pretty much easy. It's a nice place for kids. It's shallow water in here, and it's warm. Hot tub, really hot, and there's some kind of jacuzzi inside. So pretty nice hotel, I should say, so far.
Expectations, they weigh me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa.
So we're having pretty nice walk in here, evening walk, and it's about like 8 p.m. And the idea actually to share with you some Italian place, and which we love as locals here. This is called Antico. And by the way, for locals, it's a bunch of places has some discounts, you know. Yeah, so I'm going to show like this pizza place. We're going to get some beer, I believe. But to make it happen, we will need to get some tables, some free table, because actually like we have no reservation. But we should be good, I believe, because it's not actually season. It's very like low season. And yeah, whole this experience so far, I should say, so nice. Staying at this hotel. Only parking actually would cost us like $50 underground at this hotel, but it was for free for us, which is amazing. I don't know. And yeah.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try? 'Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people who don't even lie. If they only had Will someone look for me if I disappear? I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time.
Okay, my friends, I'm wrapping up this video for today, this experience. It was such a good, I should say, overall experience, like trying to see this as a tourist, point of view. As a local, for me, it's something actually interesting, and maybe that was the entire idea of taking this chance to the locals to experience everything. So I can tell you, and I can tell you exactly once I got this experience, it's like from my personal perspective. So about this Italian place, this Antico, this, we love this place. Like I've been here like so many times, and every time it's such a good experience, guys. I should say, like very nice pizza and the nice price and all this like stuff, how they working in here. So it's so kind, every time so kind, and this like cozy environment inside, everything in bricks, this wall decoration in bricks, even ceiling decoration is bricks. It's such a nice place to recommend you in here, guys. So this is I should say must have to visit. And about this adventures, on the Clifton Hill, like the haunted house, the fun house. This everything is, I believe, is working like when everything in pack. When you buy something like some ticket to see, for example, at least 8, not less than 6, I should say, places in one ticket. If you can buy some pass, like Niagara Pass, it's pretty much affordable. If you're going to just go to Clifton Hill, just buy this pass and explore everything in pack, because it should be like bundled, because if you're going to visit like only one place, it's I believe it's going to be not enough for you. It's like it's definitely not enough, and it's going to be pricey. It's a bit on the costly side, guys. Altogether, it's going to be a very nice experience for you, very fun, and especially if you can manage and to make it like in a Christmas time, like we did today. So it's in the end of November, but it's already like Christmas vibes in here, and you saw in this video, it's very helpful to get this Christmas mood, because that's exactly how it's working. You see everything, all this Christmas decoration, and it's just working fine for your mental health, for your Christmas mood. And yeah, another ticket takeaway, probably you can manage and buy some parking pass. Just go on the website, I will leave some links, pretty much useful links under this video. Buy some annual parking pass. Even if you're going to explore, like, even if it's one day, I should say it's still worth it to buy. If it's like 2 days, it's definitely worth to buy if you're going to be very active and explore a bunch of area, like power station, because only power station is about like $40 Canadian dollars, and it's pretty much expensive. But as long as you have this ticket, like annual pass ticket, you can park anywhere. You can park, for example, you can explore like Glen. This is my favorite, like Glen Park, wonderful. You can enjoy this whirlpool experience and try to see this very powerful whirlpool, like so many stuff in here. Dayquil Falls, Bowles Falls, so many Niagara parking in here around, guys. Like some of them you can find on my channel. It should be like, at least I believe, like Christmas lightning should be on my channel. Just check it out on my channel, it should be already here. And yeah, this experience very nice. And if you can somehow to manage, and like if you have some relatives in here, maybe ask them to get it for you. So maybe you can get the same, like to get like what we did today, this booking in this hotel, pretty much affordable, and all these adventures in one ticket. Not like all, but most of them actually we've got like today. That's what we saw. This powerful station, like Power Niagara Park Station. It was nice experience, very nice. And yeah, that's what I wanted to say in this video. So my message, just don't sit at home, explore. And yeah, guys, never stop in exploring. I will try to catch you in the next video, explore something else on my channel, share with somebody who's going to travel this area, and it's going to be nice and unforgettable experience for you guys and for your family, like for sure. Okay, thank you so much for staying with me today, and okay, bye bye, peace out.